on a SUMIFS. So in this question we have the some information about the region, product and revenue. We need to find the revenue, total revenue on basis of the product is containing the laptop and region is containing the multiple criteria, that is north and the east. So how we can be solve this problem? By using the SUMIFS. So let's see. First we will start the writing the formula of the SUMIFS and press the tab button. The SUMIFS will select. Now we need to select the sum range, that is our revenue, comma, and next argument is the criteria range. Criteria range is containing the product. Product is basically we have the laptop. On the basis of the laptop we need to calculate the total sum revenue. So in the laptop just write the inside the quotes and write the laptop, comma, and now pass the criteria range 2, that is containing the square brackets. So in the square bracket is always a optional argument. So inside the square bracket now we will select the our range, it is our region. We have selected that range. Now our range is argument, we need to pass the two argument, that is containing the north and the east. How we can be passed these two multiple criteria inside a single criteria? So just start with the beginning with the curly brackets and write the inverted comma open and write your region name, that is containing the first is north, comma, and second will be our is east. We can write the east and bracket inverted comma close and curly braces close and bracket close and hit enter. As you hit the enter, then you will see that the 1000 and the 1600, that means the north is containing the north region and the laptop product is containing only the 1000, and the east in the laptop product and revenue containing the 1600. That is not our output. Our output should be it's 2600, but it is containing the 1000 and the 1600 in the two separate cells. So at the beginning of this formula we just write the sum and at the end just press the bracket close and hit enter. You will get the answer of the 2600, which the total revenue of the product is laptop and the region is containing the north and the east. Thank you for watching this video.